they cheated you like a dog, and you were the one who had made it so clear all those years ago. Talking all about how to give, they don't act with much honesty, but you point the way to the truth when you say all you need is love. Living with good and bad, I always looked up to you. Now we're left cold and sad by someone, the devil's best friend, someone who offended it all. We're living in a bad dream. They've forgotten all about mankind, and you were the one they backed up to the wall all those years ago. You were the one who imagined it all those years ago. I send out a prayer to you. Now in the world of light, where the spirit free the lies, all else that we despise, they've forgotten all about God. It's the only reason we exist. Yet you were the one that they said was so weird.